ordered some wheels from Upgarage USA. Got us a nice set of Advans. Gonna see how they look. Let me bring you in closer. You can see how it's boxed. Wrapped up pretty nicely. We got some little tubes in there to help it. A lot of bubble wrap. Packaged very well. Ooh, look at those bad boys. Oh my goodness. They look so good. Oh, even better than I imagined. Oh, so exciting. My first set of Advans. Yeah. They're a little curb rashed in some spots, but they are overall in pretty good shape. No bends or anything like that, just cosmetics. We're gonna fix them up, do a little restoration, and we'll make a video of that. But overall, very happy. Great deal on them too. Sweet. They're 17 by 7.5 with a +41 offset.